Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to use NordVPN. I think this VPN is faster than others. You can easily use it. Let's open it. This is NordVPN. It has options for many countries. If you come here in this, then there is an option here, Quick Access of. If you press Quick Access, it will change your IP address from any random country. Or there are also names of suggested countries below. Like I click on Canada. Let's explore it more. When you will come here, you'll see this image of NordVPN showing a list of countries. You can select any country from here. NordVPN has servers in a lot of countries, so you'll have a lot of options. When you will come to here, you'll see this image of a map showing different countries. You can select any country from here. I think it will better those persons who are not know the name of country, but they are know the location of country in map. You can also zoom in and out of the map. Our IP address has now changed. You will find many options in this. As soon as you click on Settings, you will find many options. Open first option. After open first option, first, you will get Auto Start NordVPN as soon as the device turns on. After that, the option is Start NordVPN without opening the app window. Then after that you will see Show VPN Connection Notification. You can keep anyone on in these according to your convenience. After that you will get the option of Appearance. If you click on the arrow, you can also use light or dark mode. After that is the option of Languages. If you click on the arrow, you can use many languages. This is the settings section. All important things have been covered in it. After that, if you come down, it is asking that if you close the app without disconnecting, by enabling it, the VPN will remain connected. After that, if you come down, you will also get the option of Custom DNS. It is your choice whether to enable it or not. After that, come out. Now click on a useful feature. After clicking on it, it will open. Its name is Kill Switch. In this, the option is App Kill Switch. If you click on it, it will be enabled. After that, if you click on the arrow, you can choose anyone here. Whatever you click on, it will work on the whole device except that. And in this, you have access to all your apps. Let's go back. This was NordVPN, and this was the way to use it. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.